Welcome to the Weather Center. We still have here this cutoff floor, which is going to be controlling the weather across much of South Africa once again. And the system will bring us rainy weather over the western areas of the Northern Cape, much of the Western Cape, and the western sections of the Eastern Cape. The rest of the Eastern Cape will see stormy weather this Tuesday. The thunderstorms will also extend into KwaZulu-Natal, the central and northeastern areas, where it's going to become stormy towards the evening hours for the western areas of the Limpopo province. In the meantime, things are going to clear out during the course of the day for the central and western interior. Now, this Tuesday, you can expect up to a 40% chance of rainfall for the western parts of the country, as well as along the south coast and parts of the Eastern Cape. Up to a 40% chance of thunderstorms is also forecast for the central and eastern areas and the rest of the Eastern Cape. There is a good chance of scattered thunderstorms for much of KwaZulu-Natal, the southern areas of Mpumalanga, and the easternmost sections of the Eastern Cape. Now, we have a watch in place for severe thunderstorms that could produce large hail and damaging winds this Tuesday for much of the KwaZulu-Natal interior, as well as the bulk of the Mpumalanga province. We are going to see isolated thundershowers this Tuesday across much of the northwest, Gauteng and Mpumalanga, and the western areas of the Limpopo province. Top temperatures this afternoon are going to lie in the upper 20s and lower 30s for much of northeastern South Africa. We are going to see isolated thundershowers as well for much of the Free State and the Eastern Cape. A high of 25 for Grahamstown, 26 for Bishop. Hot for KwaZulu-Natal, where scattered thunderstorms are expected in most areas. We are also going to see stormy weather for much of the east coast. Temperatures around 34 degrees for Richards Bay, a bit cooler for Durban and Port St. John's, both peaking at around 30. Cooler as we go towards East London and Port Elizabeth, where light rain is expected for the first half of your day. We could see passing showers around Somerset East, otherwise it's going to be partly cloudy and dry for much of the Southern Cape interior. Light rain, however, for Worcester as well as around Vredendal. We are expecting light rain for the south coast, where onshore winds are expected this Tuesday. Light rain as well for Muizenberg and Hermanus, where highs in the mid-20s are expected. It's going to be sunny and hot for Appington. Thundershowers are possible around Kimberley. Partly cloudy skies this afternoon for the western areas of the Northern Cape. There is going to be a bit of rain around Cape Town and Langaban, both peaking at around 26 degrees. Here's looking ahead to your Wednesday. It's going to be unsettled for the eastern areas and parts of the Eastern Cape. Light rain for parts of the south and the west coast.